In this video we're going to talk about conditional styling of CSS properties using the CRS binding engine. But to be able to understand how the syntax works, you need to understand that we're reusing the ternary syntax from JavaScript. So ternary syntax is just a way for you to have a shorthand if-else statement. It has essentially got three parts to it. The first part is the expression itself that results in a Boolean true or false. The second part is the value if the condition is true, and the third part of it is the value that you use if the condition is false. So in this example we're saying that we want to take the style object, set the color property, and we only want to set it if this condition is true. So if the age is less than 20, then we want to use this color, else use that color. So when I'm doing conditional statements, use a stock standard ternary JavaScript expression and you're off to the races. Alright, so I've loaded up the form where this was happening, and you can see that when we move the value up and down, depending on whether it is greater or less than 20, the color changes alongside with those changes. Additionally, you can also just use a standard if. So this is different to ternary. Ternary doesn't actually allow you to do this, but within the binding engine we do, where you can take the else statement out and you can say set the color of this element to this if the age is less than 20. Also note that there's a single quote in here to depict that it's a value that we're defining. If you don't put the quote in there, it won't work. But let's make it something a little bit different. Let's say it's red. So set this element style object's color to red if the age is less than 20. So if we go to our form now and we refresh and we make this less than 20, you can see it's red, and if I go over 20, it's just the standard black color. So it only applies the change if the condition is actually met. So just to prove that it's any style that you can do this way, let us change the background to this. So change the background to red if the age is less than 20. We're just quickly gonna go and refresh that page. And then we can see now the background is red when the value is less than 20. Cool stuff.